What's going on, guys? I'm just going to walk you through basically what you're going to be doing through Clubhouse. Let me just make sure I'm still good. This right here is called your lobby. This is the lobby of the rooms. You can explore different rooms. All different things that you're going to be interested in is here. Now, these rooms are populated based on the people that you follow, which would be here in the top left. You click up here. This is where you find people, clubs, and things that you're interested in. So if you're interested in tea, right? Or let's say green tea. Let's be more specific. Green tea. Search. Well, you got a person named Green Tea Tulki. I don't want to put him on blast. And then I'll go to clubs. Okay, this brought up a club that's called Green Tea. So there's no groups. Let's say tea. Okay, we got tea time, tea to a love. No. Tea time, tea drinkers. Right, so this might be the group that I would want to join. And I would probably join that group. So I'm just showing you different things. So if you're interested in modeling, boom. See, now these are all of the groups that have models and people in the modeling industry. So you might want to check that out. Now with that, you can go through, you can actually follow the group. I'll just see if I can follow and request to join at the same time. Boom, see? So what happens now is that a lot of my rooms are going to be based around my following this group here. But I'm not interested in that right now. So yeah, so the rooms will change based on what you want. And you can also do things like this, which is a very new feature that was not there when I first started. This is something that they have just added. So they make it really easy to navigate the rooms and follow people that you could be potentially interested in and network with. So that is the actual search feature. This is your lobby. If you swipe to the left, this is the clubs at the top, the active clubs that you're in, and these are the people that are available to chat on your list. So you swipe it left to get to the people you want to speak to, swipe it back right to get back in the lobby. Right here is where you have your invites. So you usually get 3 invites once you are no longer a rookie Clubhouse user. After a week and being involved in a couple of rooms, you should lose your party hat. Let me show you a party hat so that you understand. Like, my profile doesn't have a party hat. The calendar now. This calendar shows you all of the events and rooms that'll be hosted based on the people and the groups that you follow. So you can scroll down, and these are all of the things that will come up for you. And you can also switch at the top if you hit it. You can see upcoming, all, or your events. I'm not hosting anything, so nothing comes up. And if you see all, this is everything on Clubhouse, whether you speak English or not, whether you're Muslim, atheist, it doesn't matter. So if you wanted to be notified about one of these upcoming rooms, then you would hit the ping, boom. You would follow them, boom. And then when they were getting ready to have their show, it should be there. So did you just see it like reset? Boom. See, so it added that to upcoming for you. So that's a way to navigate through the menu. I don't really want that on there now. I don't know how to remove it. Oh, the room's already in progress anyway. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So that's that. The bells just give you notifications when people are following you or when they are actually when they're actually holding room. So you'll be notified here when someone follows you or when they're holding a room, or when someone in your contact list signs up for Clubhouse, or when they have just joined Clubhouse. So, and be careful with that, because sometimes when people join, you may not, it may be somebody you don't have a good relationship with or somebody you don't mess with, and you might not want that. Like I said, when I first started, I think the first thing I wanted to find out was what was the whole blocking situation. Because if you block somebody, I'm sure, and they have a mutual friend, they can still come in the room. And the room that I was in, they were baffled by the question. So it was a good question, but they didn't have the answers to it. So I might even try to pose that question again for this Clubhouse this Sunday, and hopefully I can come back to you and give you an answer. I'm 7 minutes in. Forgive me. Don't judge me. All right, let me get back into it because I think the screen recording messed up. But I'm just going to show you something really quickly because most people don't understand. Oh, number one, you have to update your bio. When you first start, your bio is going to look blank. It's good to have a tagline because, as you can see, when you click someone's profile, you only get a snippet of their profile. So let me show you something. You see what I'm saying? Like when you look down on your followers, they all have certain snippets. So you want to make sure that the snippet that you have, like so, before I see your entire profile, lets me know what it is exactly that you do, what your interests are, or what your purpose for being here is. So you have to fill that out. You can connect your Twitter or your Instagram. And this is what I was telling you in the previous video. When you're nominated by somebody, they are always are. I'm going to blur that out so you can't see. But when you're nominated by someone, you are connected to them for life through the app. So just keep that in mind. If it's somebody you don't like or somebody you don't really know well, whatever the case may be, just keep in mind that whoever brings you in and who you bring in, you're connected to them for the duration of the app. So yeah, guys, that's basically the gist of how you navigate around Clubhouse. I'm gonna check out my other video on really understanding Clubhouse invites and really being connected on Clubhouse.